Let's get a better look at this Warmco portable desk fan. It's battery powered, so I can take it with me around the house and I can take it to work. I don't have to worry about plugging it in. It's going to last for quite a while on a single charge. Right out of the box, we've got a cord, I've got a screwdriver, and I've got the fan. I think the design looks good, and it's got a kickstand, so I can adjust the tilt from standing pretty much straight up to leaning almost all the way back. Nice. And operation is very simple. It's just got the one button and 4 settings. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 being the lowest and 4 being the highest. And it has a little digital readout that'll tell you how much battery you've got left as well. But how much air does it move? Does it blow really strongly? Well, from the desktop range, just like I have it here, it feels pretty good. Not hurricane force winds or anything, but it's quiet and it moves a good amount of air to cool me down. Here, let's make this more visual. I've got some ribbons to show how much air is moving, and at the bottom right corner you can see what the LCD looks like. We started at 1, the lowest, moved all the way through 4, the highest, and back off again. Here's the only drawback that I've found with it so far. It's the charging time. It takes several hours to go from 0% up to 100. Other than that, I love it.